Hey sis,
What's that?
I got a poem.
I don't have time for things to write.
Please just listen.
Okay, 1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute or go away.
Okay. Just listen. Protect him, protect her. Their spirits, keep your spirits within the reach of diligence, where the Almighty can touch. Let the flesh take it not, subdue, dominate, and rule the world. I say rule and dominate the flesh. From within is our strength. The spirit is our future. This is the good side. Those who care for the spirit will be alive. Those who love the flesh will be doomed. Spirits will live. Dust of desert is the flesh. Abide in me, that I may abide in you, and you will not fulfill the desires of the flesh. So how's it?
This is God talking to me.